and some new chain. The clutch is going on another project, and the chain is going to go on the silver mini bike. Alright, in today's video, I got a header and a intake and the adapter to go on the mini bike, and I can't remember what all was supposed to be in here. So let's open it up and see what's all in here right quick. I got it from old mini bike warehouse. Alright, there's the choke plate holder, there's the bigger jet for the carburetor, and not really sure what that goes to. I guess to hold it all on there, I reckon. Let's see here. There's the new spark plug for it. Air cleaner. And then there's the adapter. It goes on to the carburetor. Alright, let's I've already got the old jet out because I had to clean it and stuff, so I'm just gonna show y'all putting the new jet in. There's all the stuff that comes with the kit.
Show me the new jet.
There's the new jet.
Cool.
Yeah.
You want to use hand?
Yeah, let me get the screwdriver. Sorry.
Feed them up.
It goes right in there. Just make sure it's good and snug. Okay, there you go. There's the little gasket material. Little O-ring. Okay, now I know where this goes. It goes in here to make this one longer. I don't want to run it down tight with my battery ratchet because I just don't know. I don't want to over torque it, so. There's your choke. Hold down so you don't lose your little piece here. That's all this for. And then here's your air cleaner. That's it. Next thing, I'm going to put the header on it.
Mom, make it run.
Wait, hold on a minute. Let me look. Let me look. Trying to figure out how to.
Make it run.
Well, I'm trying to figure out how to put a
Chain.
operate chain brake here. I've never operated one before.
Is it for this? What is this for? This. What do you think about putting it right here? Well, that won't look good. I'll show you. Look, we can put it on.
Oh yeah, that's good there.
Right here on the go-kart, look.
Okay, we may put it somewhere else. How about right here on the side of the gas tank?
Yes. Let's put it there.
Okay. Yeah, that'll work right there.
Yep, there we go. That looks good. That looks good like this.
I think so too.
Oh, that's what I want.
Okay, look, it'll fit right there, won't it?
Yeah. Let's fix it now. This one. When we put this on here, then
There you go.
there we go. That thing looks cool.
All right, I'm about to crank it up. I got it propped up against something because I just rebuilt the carburetor on it. I put a header on it. I had to put some new chain on it, put new fresh brake pads, and I got new tires on it. So
And a new exhaust.
it's been sitting for about 5 years, so I had to rebuild the carburetor on it. Oh, I rejetted the carburetor.
And,
I got all the parts
and
from Old Mini
exhaust.
Bike Warehouse. They're not a sponsor, but that's who I got it
and
from.
we got an exhaust too.
And Coleman told me we got exhaust on it. So I've seen on another YouTube channel, Cars and Cameras, that you always prop these things up against something when you first start up. So that's what I'm going to do.
You trying the same thing as one of these. You jacked that thing up. No, it's bad.
And the cord is bad, so I got to get a new one of them. So for the time being, I'm going to crank it up with a drill.
So it didn't come up there.
There we go, Coleman.
That was cool. That was good, don't it? Oh my God. So it's done. Dang, that's fast. Dang, we're gonna go flying. Where is he trying to go? Oh crap.